friends, this is Miss Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing course on wilcom software is continued, and in this video you will learn that how we can change and adjust design size. First of all, in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video on YouTube and or any other website like Dailymotion etc, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhall.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So I have a design uh, to change its size. We have to select all the design, and you have learned in the previous videos that how we can make selection. So we will select all the design. For example, we can select all the design like this, or by pressing Ctrl A we can select all the design. Now you can see that there is the width and height of this design. Its width is 95.43 and its height is 163.44 millimeters. Remember, if your design size in centimeters, so you can convert your centimeters into millimeters easily. For example, if you don't know that how you can convert your centimeters into millimeters, so open Google uh, and search the calculator of for converting from centimeter to millimeter. So you can change your design size from here. For example, its width is 95, so I am changing it into 75, and its height is 163, so I am changing it into 123. Now when I will press enter, its size will be changed. So you can see that our design size has changed. For example, now I am changing its width. Its width is 123, so I am changing it into 90. So you can see that our design size has changed. Now press Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl A for all selection. We can also change our design size by dragging the mouse. For example, came the cursor on this point, press the left key and hold them. Now drag the cursor or mouse. You can see that our size is changing. For example, I want this size. Now left the click, you can see that our design size has changed. Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl A for all selection. Now for example, I want to change its width. So came the cursor on this point and press the left click of the mouse and hold, and now drag the mouse. So you can see that we can change its width also like this. Okay, for example like this. Control Z for undo. So it's our today topic was very easy, not difficult at all. So you can practice it. It's not a big deal at all, it's so easy. So our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video, and for all updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.